Okay, so here's the tank with water. There's the unit. Had to keep it in here. As soon as I plug it in, let's see here, it instantly starts leaking. See it there? And it just keeps leaking. I start the unit. You'll see that it's still leaking.
This is the Hoover SmartWash Pet Complete. It's probably my third SmartWash in many years. Hoover completely stands behind their product. If anything's gone wrong in the past, they have just gotten my info and sent me a new one. Everything is very easy to take out and clean. That's what I love, and it's lightweight. It also comes with these attachments, and it has this button right here that I also love, that you can just dry only. So it's great if you have dogs and little kiddos that make messes.
It's worked great, but this is the container that the dirty water goes into. This is the lid. We used it twice, and these screws are already rusting, and I always clean it out and let it air dry. And the screws have rusted within a week. Don't get it.
Oh my God.
That's one.
Oh my God. Nice. Actually really dry.
Okay, it's on. Go for it. Holy cow. Okay. I think I got it.
So far. Look what came out of it so far.